Hi guys, today we're talking about Pinterest. So what is Pinterest? Before we talk about Pinterest, we have to talk about the word mobile computing. Through tablets and smartphones, mobile computing helps consumers access apps and services anywhere at any moment. It uses mobile apps like a cell phone or a tablet in order to access consumers everywhere. So, why did I choose Pinterest in mobile computing? So, over 450 million people uses this visual discovery and bookmarking tool every month. It also enhanced great emphasis on mobile UI and customized materials. So, let's go back to the question. What is Pinterest? So, it started in 2010 as a digital pinboard for picture or pin organization storage. So it's also accessible to desktop and mobile. Yet 85% of use originates from mobile devices. So this is how Pinterest look like in mobile application. So it has the buttons, 4 buttons on the bottom, which shows your ideas and your account. And also this is called a pinboard. Basically, what the idea a while ago. The idea is that it create. The idea of Pinterest is that it uses your creativity as a form of finding your specific ideas in life. Like if you wanted cooking meals, if you wanted the recipe, if you wanted the ingredients of a food, for example, you can use Pinterest as a form of conveying your ideas. If you wanted a wallpaper, perhaps in your phone, you can find it here in Pinterest. So here are the essential qualities. So pinning and boards or pin boards, which is as you may see you can focus on my cursor. That is a pin board right there. So there's our visual search, which is this one right here, and also idea pins, which is as you may see in my cursor. All of these are idea pins, which is bunch of videos and photos. You can scroll down and find your ideas. So the home feed and smart search. The home feed is basically like this, the entirety of the app, and smart search. So how it works? So how Pinterest works is it is a user-driven discovery platform. It's also run by AI-powered content recommendation based on your user preference. So basically, it conveys your ideas. It finds your ideas by use of the AI-powered content recommendations. So, what are the mobile-specific tools? It uses the Lens, which is a visual search tool using a smartphone camera. It also utilizes shopping pins, which is a tap-to-buy integration. And also, it's a personalized feed algorithm adapting to mobile behavior. So here are the tools that Pinterest used. So let's go back to my case study analysis. So what are the impacts and behavior of Pinterest? It uses it impact and benefit user behavior. It encourages innovation and discovery. So basically, in my experience, this impact me a lot of user behavior. So I wanted to find ideas based on my own business, which I created back then. It is a clothing business. I wanted to find what is the style of my own business, what is the front page of my website, which I use Pinterest. It came up to my mind that Pinterest is the perfect app for me to find ideas that I wanted, so which impacted me a lot. So there's, as I said, user behavior and content discovery. It is a tailored mobile feed promotes engagement. So Pinterest also utilizes marketing tools, which is brands utilize Pinterest for visual storytelling. It also influences purchasing decision, particularly in fashion, food, and home decor. Next, An app called every single app has challenges in the mobile landscape. So first is competition. So while Pinterest has the huge impact of mobile computing, it faces a number of problems. So first things first, competition. So for starters, competition is a significant barrier. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok, it also provides visually appealing experiences, but with more real-time and interactive content, which frequently draws younger people. It dominates attention span. Next, second is user retention. So user retention can be difficult. While many users visit Pinterest for inspiration, they do not always stay or participate consistently, especially with newer platforms that provide more dynamic content. It it fluctuates every time. So, and next is privacy concerns. So Pinterest relies on algorithms and AI or user data to tailor content. Raises questions on how users' information is collected and used. Basically, users questions Pinterest by the terms of privacy concern. Next is overload. So it might be daunting for beginning users. So it's with so much content and alternative available, it can be tough to explore or discover what you're looking for the right way. It overwhelms new users. So these four problems demonstrate that even a well-established mobile app like Pinterest, it must change to remain relevant and user-friendly. They needed to fix these problems. So what next for Pinterest? So what are the innovations that what Pinterest wanted? So the innovation of Pinterest is an expansion of video content with idea pins, advancement in AI for personalized discovery, and integration of augmented reality or AR shopping tools, and transition towards a comprehensive e-commerce platform. Yes, Pinterest can be an e-commerce platform. You can use your shopping pins while conveying your ideas. You can search ideas, and it also can use as an e-commerce platform, which is actually a current innovation for Pinterest. So in conclusion, Pinterest is a unique mobile first app that specifies in visual discovery. Like I said, it uses ideas in order to convey your ideas that you wanted in your project or your business. It combines inspiration and action, particularly through mobile features. So success is dependent on adapting to mobile development such as video, AR, and deep personalization. So the insight here is Pinterest's strength is that it transforms passive surfing into intentional discovery, demonstrating the power of computing. Here are the links. Thank you for watching. I got overtime.